Is TubeLab worth it? Well, here's our honest creator review. Spending 40 hours every week on scripting, editing, and designing thumbnails only to see your video stall at 100 views indicates a data problem rather than an execution problem. Today, we're putting one of the most talked about growth tools to the test in this honest, unfiltered TubeLab review. We're going to look past the marketing hype and analyze exactly how it works, what features actually move the needle, the pros and the cons of the platform, and whether it's truly worth your hard-earned money. We'll be breaking down its core infrastructure, including the niche finder, the outlier finder, and the highly anticipated AI outlier ideation featuring the new YouTube Data MCP. If you've been wondering whether to drop your current SEO tool for this database, this breakdown will give you the clarity you need. Also, if you want to try TubeLab yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start growing your YouTube channel with better SEO and analytic tools. To understand if this platform is worth it, you have to understand the fundamental shift happening in YouTube SEO. Traditional tools rely entirely on search volume and keyword density. They tell you how many people are typing a word into a search bar. But in the current landscape, the vast majority of views don't come from search. They come from the homepage and the suggested video feed. TubeLab is built from the ground up to reverse engineer the recommendation algorithm rather than just search indexing. It tracks over 400,000 breakout channels and more than 4 million videos to identify outliers. An outlier is a video that completely bypasses a channel's normal baseline view count. When a tiny channel with a few hundred subscribers pulls in hundreds of thousands of views on a single topic, TubeLab flags it. The platform is designed to help you catch these algorithmic waves before they become oversaturated trends. Now, the first major section of the dashboard is the YouTube Niche Finder. For anyone running multiple channels or looking to launch a new brand, this feature alone could justify the subscription. Instead of guessing which marketers are profitable, the database allows you to filter breakout channels using incredibly specific criteria. When you dive into the menus, you can filter channels by language, country, and subscriber ranges. But the real power lies in the advanced monetization filters. You can filter directly by RPM estimation and monthly revenue. This allows you to completely avoid low-paying niches and focus entirely on topics where advertisers are paying a premium, such as finance, tech, or B2B software. Furthermore, for creators focused on automation, the face or faceless classification filter is a game changer. You can instantly generate a list of highly profitable, fully monetized channels that never show a human face, giving you an immediate competitive blueprint to reverse engineer. Now, once you are inside a niche, you move to the YouTube Outliers Finder. This is the operational core of the platform. The software scans millions of videos in real time to isolate content with a high outlier ratio. If a video has 10x or 20x ratio, it means it is outperforming that creator's average content by 10 to 20 times. Now, what makes this worth it isn't just seeing the data. It's the structural breakdown. When you locate a viral outlier, TubeLab matches it with proven YouTube title formulas. It breaks down the underlying psychological triggers of the headline. So instead of blindly copying a competitor's title, the system teaches you how to adapt the linguistic framework, such as using specific curiosity gaps or high-stakes phrasing to fit your own unique concepts. This directly impacts your click-through rate right from the moment of upload. Now, we can't talk about the value without addressing the AI outlier ideation tool. Most generic AI tools spit out uninspired, robotic video ideas because they lack context. TubeLab solves this by using a specialized YouTube Data MCP, or Model Context Protocol. This server plugs directly into the advanced language models like Claude and ChatGPT. Now, when you use the outlier chat or click generate ideas, the AI isn't guessing what works. It pulls live data, competitor stats, and actual video transcripts directly from the database. It analyzes the specific pacing, hooks, and narrative structures that cause the original outlier video to go viral. Then it uses the contextual data to generate a 1 of 10 video concept tailored specifically to your channel's audience. It bridges the gap between raw data and creative execution seamlessly. At this point, it's obvious that the depth of data provided here goes far beyond basic keyword research. So if you want to try TubeLab yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start growing your YouTube channel with better SEO and analytic tools. Now let's look at the concrete advantages of integrating this software into your weekly production workflow. The unfair competitive advantage. The ability to see accurate RPM estimate and viewer to subscriber ratios for tiny exploding channels allows you to enter uncrowded sub niches months before mainstream creators notice them. Airtight validation. By showing you what is already getting views on channels with low authority, it eliminates the financial risk of spending days editing a video that has zero market demand. Advanced developer integration. For high-level agencies or content strategists, the inclusion of a robust TubeLab API means you can pull this outlier data directly into custom automated workflows via platforms like Python or Make.com, scaling your research exponentially. And the companion extension. The free monetization checker Chrome extension turns the actual YouTube interface into an active research lab, displaying hidden metadata, tag density, and real-time AdSense verification on any video you click. Now, no tool is perfect, and to keep this review completely honest, we need to talk about the downsides. The learning curve. The sheer volume of data, ratios, and filtering options can be incredibly overwhelming for absolute beginners. If you don't understand how to interpret an outlier ratio, you might misread the data. The credit bottleneck. The platform operates on a strict credit system. High-level research, heavy use of AI ideation tools, or scanning large competitor lists will consume your monthly credits quickly. If you run out of credits mid-month, you have to wait for your cycle to reset or pay to upgrade your plan. And the premium price tag. At $29 per month on a month-to-month tier, it is a significant investment compared to basic keyword tracking plugins, while toggling to the annual plan cuts that down to $14.90 per month. Billed as $179 yearly, it still requires an upfront financial commitment that hobbyists might find steep. So who's it for? Well, this tool is not for casual vloggers who are just uploading videos for fun. It is explicitly designed for creators who view YouTube as a business. If you're a solo creator looking to monetize quickly, an agency managing multiple client channels, or a media company running a portfolio of faceless automation channels, the ROI of this platform is undeniable. It replaces hours of manual scrolling through competitor feeds with a clinical automated data stream. So if you're serious about treating your content creation as a legitimate business, implementing a data-driven workflow is no longer optional. It is the definitive standard for staying ahead of the competition. So if you want to try TubeLab yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description and start growing your YouTube channel with better SEO and analytic tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.